Hello everyone, and today the video is for creating your own sanctuary in your bedroom. And there's just a few items that you will need to create this area that is a restful and peaceful place to come at the end of a long day. Now remember, your bedding does matter. So if you don't have really nice bedding, go out and find yourself the best bedding that your money can buy. Simple bottle of alcohol that I have mixed up some alcohol in a spray bottle, and it helps to keep your linens nice and fresh. Just a good use of natural products as well as not using chemicals. And you can put some essential oil in here if you would like to add a little fragrance to your bed. And when you do purchase that nice bedding that your budget allows you to purchase, do wash them or launder them before placing them on your beds. Always wash them, launder them before placing them on your bed. And again, a really nice set of sheets definitely makes a lot of difference in your sleeping quality when you are tossing around on your bed. This is what is touching your skin throughout the night as you sleep and slumber. Next thing we'll talk about here is just layering your blanket, your thicker blanket, and then possibly maybe a quilt or blanket below that, and then your nice comforter that you'll place on top of your bedding as well. And again, try to get the best that your money can afford. I like to also make or create my own bedding, as you will see coming up, with the coverlet that is on the end of the bed and these pillow covers as well. I did make these myself, so in other words, they are custom. They were made to fit me, my style, and what I wanted to see in the room. I made the duvet cover that is on the end of the bed that you can use as a coverlet or a duvet cover. I made that, and I also used the zipper as well, so that you can place the comforter on the inside of it as well. And I'm going to give you both looks, one as a comforter and the other used as just a coverlet to just place at the end of your bed or midways of the bed. And do remember again, these are just simple ideas and tips that you can use in your bedroom in creating your sanctuary for yourself and your significant other. So as we go back through everything and we think, what is a bedroom? It is a place not only for sleeping, it is a sacred and special place in your home. A bedroom is and should be considered a sanctuary. It's a place where you're able to come in and shut out all the outside voices and all the chaos of the day. A restful area to unwind your mind and reset. Many desire a space, your sanctuary, to exhale out the day, to feel refreshed, and to go on to the next day. So choose a decent or good quality sheet set to lay on when you are in your bed. And if you must know, there is again a definite difference in your bedding quality. Again, get the best that your money can buy. Your pillows as well that you rest and lay your head upon. Creating spaces and placing things and objects in your space that hold meaning as well as beauty and eye candy. Everything that you place in your space or your bedroom should be intentional for creating the sanctuary that you not only desire as an adult in the world today, but that you deserve. Sanctuary is a place of preservation that you feel respected, and a place of calm and a place of serenity. The payoff in the end is an intentful, desired space to reconnect with yourself, mind, body, and soul. A place that rejuvenate, so do frame out your bed with the illumination of some lovely mirrors. Set aside a nice comfy chair, maybe for reading or writing at the end of the day. And don't forget a nice comfy lumbar pillow to place behind you. And do engulf yourself with a nice, comfy, cozy blanket placed along your bed, and maybe a coverlet also to throw across you as well. And if you're anything like me, delight yourself with piles of plush pillows. And don't forget the ambiance of a real candle, the aroma soft, maybe sweet, or a hint of something alluring. And if not fresh flowers, you can bring in life's touch with faux flowers, decked out in a beautiful antique or maybe even a modern style vase. Lighting does make a difference as well. So, do what you can to bathe yourself in some gorgeous or romantic lighting. As you can see here, I've added shears that I've taken down from the formal living room when I replaced them with the drapes, and just place them here in this bedroom. And last but not least, don't forget those personal mementos that adds that personality to every sanctuary. So thanks again, everyone, for joining me here. This has been Chanel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button, and do share the video. And also, I hope you get inspired and motivated to move and forge ahead and create that beautiful sanctuary of your own. I'll see you all in the next one.